demand for meat and animal products is increasing globally due to shifts in the pattern of meat consumption in developing countries, with global consumption rates predicted to double by 2050. Managing this demand raises some potential challenges, particularly with regard to global agricultural land use. If UK agriculture is going to continue to satisfy the demand for meat and animal products, then novel sources of protein for animal feed will need to be identified and developed. There are several key ways that farming insects could be a beneficial alternative for agricultural production of protein. The mass farming of insects requires between 50 to 90% less land than conventional agriculture per kilogram of protein and could reduce greenhouse gas emissions from the livestock industry by around 50%. It may also offer practical solutions to agricultural waste production, as fly larvae can reduce organic waste by around 60% in 10 days by recycling the nutrients and returning them as an animal feed alternative. In addition, this approach may offer the potential for greater automation with regard to production, facilitating the shift towards a more controllable and predictable manufacturing style system. Invertebrates are considered to be of high nutritional quality, typically high in fat with a saturated to unsaturated fatty acid ratio of less than 40%. They are also high in important minerals such as potassium, calcium and magnesium. Most research is focused on either the black soldier fly or housefly, as these species have high and rapid reproductory rates. Female black soldier fly can produce around 1,000 eggs, which can develop from egg to adult in around 38 days. The housefly can also produce many eggs. Estimates vary, but between 500 to 2,000 eggs per adult female. Housefly larvae are rich in digestible protein, key amino acids, essential fats and micronutrients, which makes them ideal as a component of animal feed. Housefly larvae meal has a protein content in the region of 37.5 to 63.1%, with a nutritional content which is comparable to high quality fish meal. Farming invertebrates for the purposes of animal feed protein production offers numerous benefits in terms of recycling organic waste. Protein production for livestock feed can be generated from the byproducts and waste arising from human consumption activities, which offers an opportunity to recover valuable materials through biological reprocessing. Furthermore, this approach could reduce the burden on existing production systems where the generation of waste materials such as manure is a significant problem. The potential to effectively reclaim or recycle valuable nutrients and materials through the process of bioconversion or biological reprocessing makes this approach to protein production of significant interest. As such, this could offer a mechanism to simultaneously extract protein from a wide range of waste materials and byproducts, while substantially reducing waste burden, which is a growing problem, and producing a product of potentially high value for the agricultural industry.